Hi. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll demonstrate an alternative way to edit your photos using Adobe's Generative Fill AI without the need to download or use Photoshop. So, let's dive right in. To utilize the Adobe Generative Fill AI feature, simply head over to the Adobe Firefly AI webpage and locate the Generative Fill section. From there, click on the Generate button. To begin, upload your desired photo by selecting Upload Image. Let's proceed with using the Generative Fill AI to modify the image background. To achieve this, select the Background button to eliminate the existing background, and then describe your desired outcome in the prompt input. Clicking Generate will initiate the process. Adobe Firefly AI will present you with 4 options to choose from. To save your modified image, click on the Download button positioned in the top right corner. If the results aren't satisfactory, click More to generate additional options. To conclude your current edit, select the Keep button, or press Cancel to create a new prompt. Now, let's focus on editing an object within the photo. For this demonstration, we'll change the playing card to a vegetable carrot. To accomplish this, click on the Remove button located on the left side, and adjust the brush size by clicking Settings. Proceed by removing the object from the image. Afterward, select the Insert button and enter your prompt for this generative fill command. Next, let's incorporate a new object into the photo using Adobe's Generative Fill AI. Click on the Remove button and configure the brush size via the Settings menu. Remove specific areas in the photo, ensuring that the shape matches the object you wish to add. In this example, let's say we want to add an cat instead of rabbit, so we'll create an oval-shaped area. Click on Insert to access the prompt menu and type in your desired prompt. Finally, click on Generate to initiate the addition of the new object to your photo. By utilizing the Invert option, you can invert both the object and background images. Feel free to make use of this feature if you want to invert your images. That concludes today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, I kindly request you to consider liking and subscribing to my channel for more AI tools and content. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.